How to fix a Spotify error. Can't play this right now error on web player. So many users are facing this issue right now. So in such case, you can't do anything. If you just wait for the server status to get back online, and then this problem will get fixed by itself. In the meantime, if you are on web browser like Chrome and you're getting this error, then you can follow these steps. Click on this three dot, go to Settings, go to Privacy and Security, click on Third-Party Cookies, scroll down, click on See All Site Data and Permissions, and here search for is Spotify, and next to Spotify.com, click on this trash icon and then click on Delete. Now please take a note, you will be signed out of these sites, including in open tabs. Any offline data will be deleted. So if you agree, only then you can click on Delete to clear the cache of Spotify.com from the web browser, and then you can go to the Spotify.com login and then try to play the songs and check if your error is fixed or not. If not, then go to the extensions and disable all the extension. If there are any extension are enabled, then disable all the extension and refresh the Spotify website and then try to play the song and check. So basically, you have to wait for the server status to get back online because this is currently due to the server issues. So you have to just wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check back later. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.